storm chasers. We got Ryan and Andrew. It's been blowing 35 to 40 miles an hour for 2 days now. So we're at max capacity. Ocean's gonna be as big as it's gonna be right now. Kind of nervous and excited. I'm wearing the brightest stuff that I can wear. As you can see, hopefully we get out there and just lock into some screamers. I am riding the Wing, the prototype, smallest prototype. It's gonna be on. My heart rate's through the roof, but I think I can pull it off. Crazy that I could hold this pace for M2M and M2O. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh. Make sure you guys stay back, yeah? You don't want to get swept off. You get swept off, you're not coming back. For real. Huh? All you need is one wave. It's actually the most critical part of the run, is making it out there and timing it. All these rocks are here are so slippery. You gotta get in right here, paddle out, jump out, clear yourself out of the lineup. Go! Legend. That he made it look way too easy. Way too easy. I just did a 129 cam, which is my fastest in Hawaii Kai. For those of you who know, it has a shallow bay, so you don't really tap into those mock speeds, but that's the fastest I've ever gone in Maunalua Bay. I've been waiting for the whole run. Diamond Head section. Oh. When it's big and nutty like this, going 30-40 miles an hour. The Kaiko's Diamond Head section is just unreal. Oh! Emo! That was sick. heartbroken. I had my watch on and I pressed stop to record. When I fell, I must have hit the discard button, but I think that was, looking at my watch, 22:56. Whoo! Oh my gosh.